Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, Jan's Crazy Life. So the other day on the live with Tina, we are doing, this is one word. I'm not one word. This is my think outside of the box, which is really cool. So our think outside of the box was Halloween. I picked Halloween. Susie picked buttons, and Tina picked stencils. So this is what I came up with. I've made these a lot on my channel. Perfectly Imperfect Crafts has a tutorial. But I did a little different. So what I did was, of course it's Halloween. This silver has the stencil all over it. And then I used the buttons to do the little closure. And how cute is that? And so what Think Outside of the Box is it basically is where we get different words and we have to be creative with it and use all the words. So it's just a little coin envelope that I made out of paper, and then I just glued some regular thread and doubled it up. And how cute is that? So I also made some other ones that weren't Think Outside of the Box, and but they have the same idea. And so that is these. So these are going in the journal, the Halloween journal I made. And how stinking cute are these? And I didn't put the purple in this because the book itself is more orange and black. So instead I put little brads in these little circles instead of the buttons, because the buttons are kind of bulky, cute but bulky. And so I'm just unraveling it, and I have these adorable little spiders. And there's my coin envelope, and then I just put a tag in there. How cute are these? And get it under there, Jan. Alright, once you get it going, it goes. But that first time, if y'all can hear Mary Had a Little Lamb, I'm sorry. Elijah, turn that down, please. Okay. And hey, Elijah, turn that down or go in the living room. Thank you. All right. So then I was like not bothered by it. Then I started thinking about, oh, YouTube might trip about it, copyrighted. All right. And then I'm sending some goodies with my journal to the person. So I thought I'll make a big one, which I've made these before, and same concept. Same concept, and I just kind of inked up this top, but not on the inside, and then it has like all the little goodies that I want to send with my journal. So I hope that you guys enjoy this quick project share and think outside of the box. And we're always trying to find new ways to be creative, so this is another way that we've come up with. I will have the other ladies linked below, so you can go check out what they came up with for their Think Outside of the Box challenge. It is Susie Q Crafts, and come on, lift up. Oh, that was so much easier. Susie Q Crafts and Tina's Crafty Life. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.